para las otras clases. Bueno, well, if we are on Google Classroom, right, you go to your classroom and then to my history period. And you should see a link. It says, please enter the group for our class and create the video Fall of Rome. You guys will have the same link. So you click there, and then this should show up with your class. It should say, yeah, 1B dual immersion or 4A history, doesn't matter. You join with Google, and you click on Remember Me. And then you're going to select your account. This is going to appear, right? Depending on your class, this is going to be different. And then you have this video, Reasons for the Fall of Rome. And here is where you're going to create your video. So you're going to record a response. Now, here's the thing. If we are working on Google Zoom or a Zoom, and you try to use the camera for two things at the same time, it won't let you. So you have to do that on your independent study time, okay? But I would like you guys to just have your account ready. So this is how you create your account, all right?